Welcome back to today's morning report chart appraisals on Thursday the 12th of February with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets. Moving on to dollar yen. Strong move to the downside on dollar yen, big spike lower, and that came on the back of reports that the Bank of Japan suggested that additional stimulus would be counterproductive, and that certainly saw the yen strengthen and interestingly pulled dollar yen lower. But I will show you that I'm very happy about how this big flag pattern actually hit its target pretty much bang on. 120.40 was that target, and 120.50 was yesterday's overnight high. And we've suddenly, started to correct back, and my opinion is that obviously we had that initial sharp move to the downside. 1880 pretty much was the low. Interesting that was the 23.6% fib projection level, and also a basis of support as well from intraday levels from a couple of days ago. But we've sort of rallied back up above the resistance around 119.20, and we're sort of now back into settling mode. It'd be very interesting to see how this dollar yen chart now moves in the coming hours, because my opinion still is that we're fairly positive still, but that obviously this Bank of Japan news could potentially change the outlook, so it's something to watch. But the fact is we've still held above that, or we're still now trading above that breakout level at 119.20. So that would suggest you're still in sort of a bullish frame of mind for traders. Momentum indicators on the hourly chart still fairly positive. RSI back towards 40. MACD line still on the positive side, although there is a correction underway in these indicators. So it'll be very interesting to see how this support forms, if it does form. But at the moment you're still holding on to the positive outlook, because you're still above on the daily chart. You're still above the breakout level of 1884. As I said earlier, that was another initial breakout level that capped that old range. So that the fact that we've bounced off that, I think, is interesting as well. And I think the outlook can remain positive whilst you're above that level. So I remain still marginally positive, but I'm sort of waiting to see how this support develops in the coming hours, as to whether there's a gradual drift due to this news from the Bank of Japan, or whether the support holds nicely. 1880 is the support now. So I wish you good luck in your trading today on dollar yen, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.